Welcome to this video. In this episode, we will show you how to integrate the Milesight PoE version sensors like VS133 PoE version with the Vemco platform. First, you need to prepare our devices and a platform account. You can obtain the account information by contacting Vemco through their official website. Log in to the platform using your account. Navigate to the test zone page and follow the steps shown in the video. If it doesn't exist, you can simply create it yourself. Click the Add Sensor button. Follow the steps in the video to fill in the basic information for the device. In the Type field, select the People Counter option. In the next input field, enter the MAC address of the device. You can follow my steps and simply copy it from the device's management interface. In the vendor drop-down menu, select Milesight. Make sure it's the one without IoT at the end. Don't forget to check the Is Entrance option. Then click Submit button to submit your configuration. As you can see, the status of the newly added device shows waiting for data. Next, let's start configuring the device. First, log into its management interface. Navigate to the communication page. Click the Add button. Change report protocol to the HTTPS option. Enter the HTTP address provided by Vemco into this field. You can choose to report data on the hour or at regular intervals. Modify the settings according to your actual needs. With that, our configuration is complete. Refresh the page and check if the status is normal. As you can see, the status has turned green and shows connected. Next, let's verify our configuration by checking if platform has received data from the device. As you can see, the platform page is now displaying real-time data reports from the device. Here is a sample of the platform's dashboard, provided for your reference. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.